Hello everyone. In our previous class we had done the word problems of exercise 3.4, that is question number 6 to question number 10, and in today's class we are going to do the next word problems of the same exercise, that is exercise 3.4 unit multiplication and division. And today's question is question number 11. The product of two numbers is 23,17,756. If one of the numbers is 826, find the other number. Means whatever answer we have got after multiplying two numbers, that we have, because product is the answer of multiplication, that we have one of the number which we have multiplied. We are having that number also, and we need to find the other number. Let me give you a small example having small digits. Like for example, we have the product as 6 and one of the numbers as 2, and we need to find the other number. So how we have got 6? It means if one number is 2, we can divide these two numbers, like 6 divided by 2, and our answer is 3. It means the other number which we have multiplied is 3, because 3 2s are, the product is 6. So likewise here we need to divide. So let us just write this statement. Product of two numbers, that is 23,17,756. One number is 826. Therefore, the other number is equals to 23,17,756 divided by 826. So this 826 is our divisor and this is our dividend. So by writing the divisor in the divisor and the dividend at proper places, we can now divide the sum. 826 two times will give you 1652, and after subtracting them you will get 665 as the remainder. After that you have to just bring down this 7 here, and 6657 is the new dividend. So 826 8 times will give you 6608, and you will be left with 49 as the remainder. Now you need to bring one more digit, that is 5 here, but 495 is less than 826, so we need to bring one more digit here at a time. For bringing that digit here, we need to put a 0 in the quotient, and after that we can write 6 here. Now 826 6 times will give you 4956, and you will be left with remainder as 0. Therefore we can say 2806 is the other number. So after dividing we have got the other number. Now you can check your answer. One number is 826, another number is 2806. If you will multiply both these numbers, you will get the answer as this dividend, that is whatever the product is there in the question, 23,17,756. Now our next question is, in the month of March, April, May and June, the total sale of a milk depot was 1,49,450 liters. It means this much milk has been sold in these 4 months. So how much milk does it sell every day? If we need to find about every day, means each day, so we must be knowing about number of days that is milk has been sold. Fine, but we are not given days, we are given months. So we need to convert these months into days. Then only we can find about one day. So milk sold by a milk depot in 4 months, that is March, April, May, June, is 1,49,450 liters. Now we can convert it into days. That is March has 31 days, April has 30 days, May has 31 days, and June again has 30 days. So in total there were 122 days. It means milk sold in 122 days is 1,49,450. Now when we are knowing about the milk sold in 122 days, we can easily find milk sold in 1 day. Therefore milk sold every day is equal to 1,49,450 liters divided by 122. Now after writing the divisor and the dividend at appropriate places, we can now divide the sum. 122 1 times will give you 122. and you will get 27 as the remainder. Now you will just bring down this 4 here. Now this is your new dividend. 122 2 times will give you 244, and 30 will be your new dividend. You will just bring down this 5 here. Then again 122 2 times will give you 244, and you will be left with 61 as the remainder. Now you will just bring down this 0 here, and 122 5 times will give you 610, and you will be left with 0 as remainder. It means 1225 liters milk was sold every day, because when we are knowing about more than 1 day, we can easily find any information in 1 day with the given information. So this is how you need to solve the question. Now question number 13. A fruit seller bought 14,90,825 bananas. If 103 bananas were found rotten, means they were not in a position to just sell, and remaining were packed in 529 baskets. Find the number of bananas in each baskets. Remaining were packed in baskets. It means the number of bananas left were packed in 529 baskets, not this much bananas. So bananas bought 14,90,825. Then we will write bananas found rotten, that is 103. Now we need to find bananas left, because rotten bananas will be thrown away. So bananas left, you need to subtract them. 14,90,825 minus 103, and you will be left with the answer as 14,90,722. Now these bananas were packed in 529 baskets. Therefore, bananas packed in 529 baskets is equals to 14,90,722. Now, when we know bananas packed in 529 baskets, we can easily find bananas packed in each basket. Therefore, bananas in each basket is equals to 14,90,722 divided by 529. So, this is the divisor, this is the dividend. Now we can easily divide. 529 2 times will give you 1058, and you will be left with 432 as the remainder. Now bring down this 7 here. This is your new dividend. So 529 8 times will give you 4232, and you will be left with 95 as the remainder. Now bring down this 2 here. Now 529 1 times will give you 529, and 432 will be your 423 will be your remainder. Now just bring down this 2 here. 529 8 times will again give you 4232, and you will be left with 0 as the remainder. It means how many bananas were there in one basket? 2812. Therefore, the number of bananas in each basket is equals to 2812, 2818. So this is how you need to solve all these word problems. Thank you.